Wide shot. Often used as an establishing shot. The subject is visible, but the emphasis is still on placing the subject in his or her environment.
Full shot. The subject takes up the full frame, or at least as much as comfortably possible.
Mid shot. Shows some part of the subject in more detail while still giving an impression of the whole subject.
Medium close-up. The medium close-up is halfway between a mid-shot and a close-up. This shot shows the face more clearly without getting uncomfortably close.
Close-up. In the close-up shot, a certain feature or part of the subject makes up most of the frame. The close-up of a person usually means a close-up of their face, unless specified otherwise.
Extreme close-up. Gets right in and shows extreme detail. You would normally need a specific reason to get this close. It is too close to show general reactions or emotions except in very dramatic scenes.
Low angle. This shows the subject from below, giving them the impression of being more powerful or dominant.
High angle. A high angle shows the subject from above. For example, the camera is angled down towards the subject. This has the effect of diminishing the subject, making them appear less powerful, less significant, or even submissive.
Cut-in. Like a cutaway, but specifically refers to showing some part of the subject in detail. Can be used purely as an edit point, or to emphasize emotion, etc. For example, hand movements can show enthusiasm, agitation, nervousness, etc.
A cutaway is a shot that's usually of something other than the current action. It could be a different subject, a close-up of a different part of the subject, example, the subject's hands, or just about anything else.
Two-shot. There are a few variations of this one, but the basic idea is to have a comfortable shot of two people, often used in interviews or when two presenters are hosting a show.
Over-the-shoulder shot. This shot is framed from behind a person who is looking at the subject. The person facing the subject should usually occupy about 1/3 of the frame. The shot helps to establish the position of each person and get the feel of looking at one person from another's point of view. It is common to cut between these shots during a conversation, alternating the view between the different speakers.
Camera pan. A pan is a horizontal camera movement in which the camera moves left to right about a central axis. This is a swiveling movement, for example, mounted in a fixed location on a tripod or shoulder.
Camera tilt. A tilt is a vertical camera movement in which the camera points up or down from a stationary location. For example, if you mount a camera on your shoulder and nod it up and down, you are tilting the camera. Tilting is less common than panning because that's the way humans work. We look left and right more often than we look up and down.
Dutch tilt. A Dutch tilt is a camera shot in which the camera angle is deliberately slanted to one side. This can be used for dramatic effects and helps portray unease, disorientation, frantic or desperation action, intoxication, madness, etc. A Dutch tilt can be a static shot, or used with simultaneous panning, tilting and/or zooming.